It used to be simple. You drove your car and your insurance rate was based on a few basic factors. Your age, your location, your driving record, maybe your credit score. But for the most part, what happened inside your car stayed inside your car. That's no longer true, because modern vehicles don't just transport you, they observe you. Every drive, every trip, every movement becomes a stream of data. Not just where you go, but how you drive. How fast you accelerate, how hard you brake, how sharply you turn, how often you drive at night, how long you're on the road. This is called telematics, and on the surface, it sounds helpful. Better safety systems, better diagnostics, smarter vehicles. But underneath that, something else is happening, because that data doesn't just stay in your car, it gets collected, structured, linked to you, and in some cases, shared with systems designed to evaluate risk. Not mechanical risk, personal risk. Because once your driving behavior becomes data, it becomes measurable. And once it becomes measurable, it becomes scoreable. Your driving patterns can be turned into a profile, a behavioral model that reflects how you operate a vehicle over time. Not based on a single moment, but based on patterns, consistency, aggression, timing, frequency, all of it feeding into something larger. Because that profile doesn't just sit there, it can be used, integrated into systems that help determine insurance outcomes, risk scoring models that attempt to predict future behavior based on past patterns, which means your insurance profile may no longer be based only on what you've done, but on what a system believes you're likely to do. That's a different kind of system, because now your rate isn't just reactive, it's predictive. And that prediction is built from data you may not even realize is being collected. This is where the shift happens. Driving stops being just an activity and becomes a data source. Your car becomes more than a machine, it becomes a sensor. And once that data exists, it creates a new layer between you and the outcome. Because instead of a human evaluating risk, a system is modeling it, continuously, quietly, in the background. Now, to be clear, not all data is used the same way, and not every system works identically, but the direction is consistent. More data, more modeling, more prediction, and less visibility into how those decisions are made. Which means something subtle starts to change. Because when a system is built on behavioral data, it doesn't just record what you do. It starts to influence how you think about what you do, how you drive, when you drive, what feels safe, what feels risky. And over time, that changes behavior. Not through force, but through awareness. Through the possibility that what you're doing is being measured, evaluated, scored. All from something that used to feel completely private, your car. But now, that space isn't just yours, it's part of a system that turns behavior into data, data into profiles, and profiles into outcomes. If this video opened your eyes even a little, don't let it stop here. Hit that subscribe button because the next one goes even deeper. Hit the like button so this video actually reaches more people. Go to the comment section and let me know what stood out to you or what I should test next. And share this video with someone who needs to see it before they scroll past it. Because the more this spreads, the harder it becomes to ignore what's really going on. Are you ready for the next truth test? Let's go!